All right, so what's up guys? I'm starting to get some of the parts coming in for the bike, and I've been doing just the little easy stuff since, you know, I still only have one arm, so I'm still trying to take it pretty easy. And I just installed the tank pad, and I wanted to show you guys the quickest, easiest way that I found to get it 100% center on the tank without having to do a bunch of measuring and taping and, you know, all that stuff where it still comes out a little crooked. So let's get into it. So the process is actually pretty simple, and it just involves one of these laser levelers, which I got from Lowe's. I think it was like 30 bucks. And then I have it mounted on a standard camera tripod, right? And then I just set it up behind the bike, found the center of the bike, and then I just installed the tank pad right down the center of the laser line. And it really isn't just as simple as that, is trying to get the red laser right down the center of the pad when you stick it. And from there, it's just picking how high up you want it, you know, from the seat to the gas tank. And, you know, it really is that simple. So didn't want to take too much of your time, just figure I'd post this up real quick since I figured, you know, somebody could find this useful. And yeah, like I said, I'm starting to get parts in. I'm slowly but surely getting it back to what it was, and hopefully be out within the next month and a half. All right. Check you guys out later. Peace.